So there's nothing in this side of it at all. So. Trying to work out what. No brood on that one. Just starting to get some patches of egg, some grubs there.
You want a bit of front?
Everybody else. No, I don't want to. We went through this, didn't we? Last
Yeah,
week?
yeah, we did. Yeah.
Was it this? Well, last Sunday, was it?
No.
Sunday before, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
2 fortnight ago, wasn't it?
That's better.
I've got some brood on here, but it's not really, taken off.
Any eggs?
Cat brood. There was eggs in that one, and grubs. And there's brood there.
Did you mark the queen in that one?
Yeah, and in that one, didn't we? So we've got brood there as well. This is actually all got brood in there, so that's good.
Is that an old?
It's an old queen, signs of an old queen cup, that is. Found the queen yet, haven't we? Way rich, I think. I know she's marked there somewhere. Well, this isn't doing very well, really, at all. All cut. If it was stronger, I'd have liked to have took all this lot out, but unfortunately that's where she's actually laying, really, in the old comb.
You not think about moving the brood nest to the middle of the box?
I've transferred some of the old comb to the front there, and moved some of the newer stuff forward. Oh, there she is.
This isn't. Down the other.
Have you got a mark? Or have you
Yeah.
Oh, don't follow.
You've not got a mark.
She's got a white.
Yeah, she's marked there, look.
Can you hold that?
Ah, yes.
So did you have to hold her still while you mark it?
No, I've got a cage, and I just trapped her in that, and then put a blob.
She looks
Right.
doesn't she?
Yeah. I mean, she looks, looks all right.
Last year's queen.
Yeah, because it did actually. Well, this.
She looks
the,
all right.
Yeah.
Queen, is it?
Sorry.
Is that a big queen to normal?
Well, it looks quite sort of plump.
Right.
Is it last year's?
Yeah. So I'm surprised why it hasn't really got going, this hive, really.
No food.
No, don't worry about me.
Look.
Right.
Dare I ask, Richard, have you put the extra holes in your smoker, or have they just appeared?
No, they've appeared recently. They have.
It's on special, that.
I have to invest in a new smoker. I think I know where to get one from.
Do you?
New design of smoker.
Give yourself a discount. That's his father's.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
Staying close enough.
Next one.
She's not moved.
She's not really.
I've got a mark with a white spot. See, a bit longer. Look, she's looking in that cell. Look, got her head in there.
Slightly bigger.
Yeah.
So these are all the brood cells so that you can see larvae in them?
These are.
Yeah.
These are all. Anything that's got white grubs in. They're the new grubs.
Okay.
Before they're being capped.
So they're capped to develop them, which is these cap cells?
Yeah. It's so many days as an egg, and then it's so many as a grub.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I think after 6 days? They actually cap it over, and it's capped over like this, and then it develops into a bee.
Okay. So why did you think this wasn't very healthy?
Just not many bees in the hive at the moment. You know, so it's not it isn't really, you know, building up.
So what's your plan now, Richard?
On this one, well, I'm just going to nurture it along, and hopefully the weather improves and it
that doesn't
gets
work.
itself
It's got to
going,
be proper
really.
food. Candy just keeps them
So
going.
will these go up into the village to feed, or?
Yeah, well, yeah, anywhere around here they're going to go. Yeah, yeah. I mean, there's quite a bit of rape around here now, isn't there?
There is over. Yes, just at the back, isn't it?
It's the weather warms up and the flowers are opening
Yeah,
up.
not too bad.
They'll, oh yes, you should join out at the end of the season.
Get all these tidied up a bit.
But the only thing about the rape crop
when the
is it
queen
brings the bees
get
up.
to the stage of putting the queen.
That's the big advantage. I mean, and the byproduct is good. But,
it can
I mean, without lots of nectar, they're not.
No.
I mean, you can feed them, but it's not the same.
Well, I did.
But I think if you've got 3 frames
on
now,
some, but that money had been on a brood and a half.
you should lay.
I
I think by August you have. You've got them in the garden.
Oh yeah.
She will.
Oh yeah.
Although it's an old queen.
Well, you